Hey guys, I'm gonna be singing Firework by Katy Perry. So if you guys enjoy, please, if you comment, please no haters. That'd be the best, you know. Hate. Hope you guys enjoy. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel burning very deep, 6 feet under screens and no one seems to hear a thing? Do you live in there? Still a chance in you, and there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let